Well, hey everybody, it's Hanukkah time, so I thought I'd make a recipe. And what's special is, this is a ramen recipe to add to my ramen playlist. I'm making a Ramen Kugel. Let's do it. Spray a baking dish. I need to boil 3 packages of ramen. We don't need those seasoning packets for this one. In a big bowl, I need 3/4 of a cup of cottage cheese, 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of granulated sugar, and then I'm just gonna mix it all together. Drain and rinse that ramen and add it to that mix. Add 1/2 cup of golden raisins. Toss and combine. Pour it into your baking dish. And then we're just gonna sprinkle some brown sugar on top. Bake at 350 for about 35 to 40 minutes until the center is set. Ramen Kugel. Noodly. I couldn't figure out why the baseball kept getting bigger and bigger. Then it hit me.